Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Welcome, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Good morning, sir.
Excellency, sir.
Excellency, sir. You're welcome, sir. Appreciate you, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, I shall you soon tell a ferret.
Thank His Excellency Peter Obi, a former governor of Anambra State, and also the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the last presidential election. I thank you because politics didn't seep into this. You came here to commiserate with us over the explosion. Actually, it's though investigation into the details are still going on, it was simply illegal miners storing explosives in an environment where they shouldn't be. Place where it's meant for people to live in. It's not a mining site. So all the lapses that allow such to happen are being looked into. I'm particularly grateful because the president called me. There are three musketeers that went for that election. The president has reached out to me. You have reached out to me. But my own party candidate, not even a call or a text message. I mean, I'm saying it openly so that our leaders will know that you have time for politics, you have time for governance, and you have time for humanity. We want to say thank you so much, sir, and we appreciate this visit. So thank you. Thank you.